Hello world, and welcome back to Accelerate.
Yes, welcome back everyone. I didn't think this through. Let's just go straight into it. We know what you're doing. Yeah, right.
Right, well anyway, welcome back. I'm quite excited for today, as you can see. We're in our scruffies, and we're going to get down and dirty with the Evo.
I was going to say, who said it with the Evo? I'm glad yeah.
We are doing some more maintenance. We've got, well, what have we got?
Right, we've got oil and filter, HKS filter.
Yes.
We've got some brake discs, brake pads.
What are we going for?
I've bought Mtec. I know not probably the best, but some of the boys said they're pretty good for the price. They did it pretty well.
We're basically doing a brake install. I know most of you probably watching know how to fit brakes, but it's more of an install and a review, I would say.
Yeah.
Because they've been recommended by the Evo boys, like you said, the Mtec pads and discs.
Yeah, I got Mtec pads and discs.
Yep. So
either those or the Mtecs, which were the same price.
Okay. Yeah.
They were really, really cheap. I paid $94.99 for the brake disc and pads.
Wow.
I know.
Oh, fair. Okay.
So
I'm curious to see. Like I said, we'll do not only the install, we'll go for a drive, and obviously we'll.
You put fuel in it?
Okay, we'll pretend to drive it.
Yeah.
But no, so we'll get some first impressions. We'll see how they are.
Well, at the moment, there's a lot of wheel wobble when you brake in, so it's definitely a warp disc. I was told when I first bought it, it's probably going to need discs soon.
Yeah.
So
there we are. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing. Oil filter, brakes, and a couple of ABS sensors because I got a light on, as people have probably noticed. But yeah, there's 2 sensors to do as well. So yeah, let's get stuck in.
Sweet. Let's get into it.
Let's do it.
So while we've had the wheel off, Kenny is doing some much needed cleaning on the inside, getting rid of these very annoying sticky marks.
It looks terrible through the front of the wheel.
So because of the white, you can really see it, can't you?
Yeah, it's only something just to tidy it up a bit. I know the weights they put on the back, all 943 of them. But yeah, at least they're out the way and you can't really see them from the front. So yeah, just try to tidy it up.
Cool.
To get the brake pads out, there's 2 pins holding them in with a retainer. So the pins are this side you hit them from. So literally give them a little tap, taparoo. Do something smaller. Giggity. And yeah, just ease them out.
Yeah, because obviously these are not your usual.
No,
I know that aren't a lot of them like that, but yeah, most normal cars are not.
No, they haven't got pins in them. So yeah. So what I'll do now is go and get a set of pliers. Oh, not needed. There we go.
Kenneth's strength.
So yeah, that is it.
And then the pads, theoretically, come straight out.
Theoretically.
Put you on the spot.
I know.
Theoretically, they come out easy.
Yeah, we'll edit this bit.
Yes.
Nice one, man. Thanks for the drinks.
Once the pads are out, you've got obviously 4 pistons. Once they're pushed back, it's literally 2 19mm bolts on the rear, and then the caliper comes off in its entirety.
With the brake pads, just try and push them back a little bit before you remove them.
As we were saying, these are the pins that hold the pads into the caliper. Remove the caliper. What was it? 2
of those 19 inch 19mm bolts.
Hell of a bolt.
Just 2 of them.
Yep. So pretty straightforward, and obviously hung the caliper to take the tension, but to take the weight off the brake lines. And off she comes.
Done.
So yes.
That'll do. Let's go for a drive.
Yeah.
Right, so what we're going to do now is spray it with a bit of brake cleaner. They are like greasy and oily, salt and rusting when in a box. So literally just put a bit of this on, give it a wipe, just to get the excess oil and stuff off so it doesn't contaminate the pads. I will give it another wipe then.
Such a good looking disc, isn't it? In a weird way, how a bit of metal can just be like, whoa.
I know, I can see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Right, first thing I'm going to do is remove the oil filler cap, obviously to help with the oil drop in. So, literally, turn it on.
I'm glad we're doing an instructional video on
Yes,
that.
I know, really, really helpful this is, just in case no one knows how to do that.
Next up.
Sun plug. So, with my keen eye, I grabbed a 17 and it fits. You watch.
All right.
Watch it slip now.
Ting!
Oh, wow, that was quite easy.
And the oil filter's right there. Nice.
Where? I'm just playing.
I was going to say, really? See, this is another reason I like Jap cars. Let's get the money shot. Oh, that's not too bad.
Well,
How much oil you
mess-wise,
got over
I was
yourself?
going to say. Yeah, I did definitely got myself.
I've seen worse. Break time, or coffee time,
Yeah.
and
What? The screwdriver identifies as a spoon. It's okay.
oh, that's all right then.
Yeah. That's how we do it.
Got the HKS filter here. Filter fish. Are they different sizes?
Oh, don't. Nah, I think the rubbers are okay.
Phew. Anyway, coolest filter in the world. Old filter.
Here's my sticker. That's okay. Just testing. So, filter. New HKS filter. What you gotta do is put a little tiny bit of oil around the seal just so it actually seals properly. So,
One thing to check as well, for those that don't know, on rare occasions these seals can actually get stuck to the car itself, so obviously make sure the old one is off, otherwise it won't seal properly. And what oil have we gone with?
we have gone with Fuchs Titan Race Pro R 15. Yeah, no Fuchs.
Yeah, I was going to say you stole my joke, but yeah, sorry.
Yeah, 1550. I thought that looked a bit thick, to be honest, 1550, but it was recommended by the boys on the group. Apparently, Norris Design recommend that for all tuned engines.
Cool.
So we know the Evo is running in excess of 400 brake. So, yeah,
It was the right thing to
it was
do.
the right thing. It wasn't cheap, but the brakes were, so that's what I saved.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
I'd just like to reiterate this point for people who haven't seen the previous Evo video. I can't be the only one that thinks this is rather psychotic. Kenny's actually gone through the trouble of denibbing every single tyre.
No, I've done it on the outside. If it was psychotic, I'd do the inside too. But I had an LG for this, so that's cool.
Yes. But let me know, is that crazy or not? You concerned me
Come on, I'll
sometimes.
have to this hell.
I know many YouTubers make it look like everything goes really to plan and everything's fun and dandy, but in reality, this is the type of crap we deal with. Trying to get the ABS sensor out. This is what has been holding us up for the past couple of hours. And for anyone that's wondering what the inside of an ABS sensor looks like,
What the man looks like.
yeah. Yeah, it's a learning curve for me today. What a day, once again.
Yeah,
It's always the same with this car, but...
it's the same with anything.
Yes, yeah. Anyway, brakes, pretty straightforward.
They went on really, really nicely, really,
Yeah.
really easily.
Yeah, they look awesome.
It was just the ABS sensor that was being a penis.
Yes. Well, before that, with the brakes, obviously we're going to do the bedding in period and so forth, and then we'll take it for some drives, get your opinion on how they are, how you like the brakes. As I said, I'm really curious to see that because they have been recommended. They are, like you said,
They have been recommended, they've also been slated, so
Yes. See, speak as you find, so we'll
Yeah.
keep you updated on that.
I'll be honest, yeah.
The ABS sensor.
What a... yeah.
Yeah, I'm not bleeping it out, don't
No.
swear. Rear, again, really straightforward.
Yeah, they come up
Came
quite
out
nicely.
lovely.
I put a pry bar in there, literally just eased it out and
Yeah.
out it came.
The front one took us a good, hour,
I'd say
like I said, over an
and a
hour,
half,
yeah.
maybe.
Just to get it out,
Yeah.
drilling and prying.
Oh, it just took so long. So
It's wiped me out.
yeah.
But it's
That's
done.
all done, yeah.
Yes.
Oil and filter, that's done too.
But whilst we were running it up, we did notice another problem.
Yep, Evo ownership, yo. Right, the manifold to turbo gasket's blowing, and one of the bolts didn't even have a nut on it.
Yeah.
So,
And like I said, I'm surprised it wasn't blowing more than it is, because usually that's everything you've noticed, but it's really not bad.
Well,
But
yeah, see, I don't usually run it with the bonnet open, so
No.
we heard the ticking noise,
Yeah.
and I was like, what's that?
yeah,
And yeah, that's exactly what it is. I've ordered a new gasket, that's on its way. And
That's
also,
more content.
yeah, the spark plugs, I've ordered those too.
yeah.
I was hoping they'd be here today, but they're not.
Yeah.
So that'll be done as well through the week.
I think that'll do it for this week.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
See you then.